It's going. Hey vlog, camping trip. Act excited. Camping trip. Time to go camping.
Yeah.
24-hour challenge. Only eating what we catch besides the sub we're getting for Molly because she's an anti-pescatarian. Fish are friends, not food. We'll update later. Let's go camping.
No, it's fine.
I don't think we're fishing in a good spot. No, if I haven't caught a fish yet, we're not in the right spot.
And that's what you've always said.
Okay, wait. I am a bosser bitch than Jackson. He won't touch the live shrimp.
Oh, this place should be a gold mine. Fish of the day. Nice. Oh my god, dude.
Cute shot.
Can you fill the live well?
How do I do that? I know! Oh, go, Ollie, go!
Big one, yeah. Oh! Good job, Queen.
Oh, sister snapped.
Do you want to dispose of it?
No, I want to keep it. I want to eat it.
I don't think we can eat that.
Why? What kind of fish is it?
You're gonna get dirt all over.
Yeah! Oh, it's off. It's off.
Uh-oh.
My fish was bigger than yours, Jackson.
I caught it first. Hey, let's
I got mine was bigger.
Dubs in the chat, how do you feel?
Fantastic.
Yeah, cool.
Hey, this is the new confession share. Today, we're going to be doing episodes of Fishing Confessions. My first confession of the day. My arms are a little tired from that one fish. And I almost broke a fall because I didn't know that it could have snapped. I thought this was what they were meant for. So my confession is, I'm a rook, but that doesn't mean I can't cook.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Whoa! Didn't see you there. Hey, I'm Molly. Welcome to the Fishing Confessionals. As you can probably tell, not the fisher of this boat. I'm in charge of watching for pirates.
Watching for pirates. Coast is clear so far.
Watching for dolphins. I also found a bag of fish food. So both of those fish that got caught, that was me. I'll keep you updated on everything happening on this ship.
Hello, my name is Colin. I'm the captain here on this beautiful boat.
We're stuck because they can't get an anchor.
It's not gonna be stuck here.
You need some girl power.
Pull that way. My confession is I spend all my free time trying to figure out how to catch fish, and I still can't catch fish. So I'm putting in my best effort, but I might be crying by the campfire tonight. So keep you updated.
Jackson, D1 fisherman. Ella caught a bigger fish. I'm renowned for stealing spots when people get bites. Pretty good at that, but that's about it. Thank you.
All right.
Jax.
We did it.
We started a fucking fire.
Looks good.
Wait, smile with our fire. So here's our little campsite. It's gorgeous. A nice man gave us some bait. Hella minnows for free. Yeah, here's our cutie little home for the night. Cheers. Hey vlog. We were out on a mission, heading back to camp, and we're stuck. There's the ground. Apparently it's the lowest of the low tide right now, so we're just waiting. Jackson and Ella are back at camp. Apparently there's a nice fire started, so we'll get their clips inserted in here. But right now it's pretty dismal, but we did figure out how to work the lights on the boat. We'll update later. Back again vlog. Just heard the news that their boat is stuck and have to wait for the tide. So we're like for real stranded.
Stranded at sea. And all we have is a little bit of bait, a campfire, and some muffins.
And a good heart. Jackson also saw a snake behind our tent.
Our phones are low battery.
I'm eternally shitting my pants. Did my freckles come out more? I look hella freckly on this phone. Yeah, Duraz just texted and said, "Are you guys good?" Molly just called us and told us they're stuck.
Say we're fucked.
We're dying, Duraz.
2 hours later.
Hey, we're back. It has been, how long have we been stuck?
2 hours.
2 hours.
And the tide did not come up enough.
Still stuck. Tide nowhere to be found. It's now pitch dark. Don't
We have to pay $1,000 to get towed out of here. This YouTube channel doesn't make enough money.
Like, comment, subscribe. You heard the man. Hey vlog. We are still stuck. Colin just called a tow truck apparently, but literally, so we are obviously the only people on this island. Fire snake. That's like straight out of fucking Shark Week. Air Jaws is like at least like, I would say at least 7 feet, but we're assuming it was like 8 feet. Like some sort of shark went like out of the water, and then there was like a fucking feeding frenzy. There was like a sailfish that threw like a little like smaller fish. Like it was fucking crazy. So then when Colin and Molly get here, we're gonna go out there and see if we can catch some shit. But I almost shit my pants. It was so cool. That's all I have. That's all I have. Hey vlog, back again. So as you can hear from the engine, we are moving.
Finally,
Woo!
3 hours later.
3 hours and $1,000. We made it. So here's how we're navigating back. It's giving nothing. So we're going off our little maps. This could be an advertisement.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're on our way back. Going very slow, not gonna get any sandbars.
Nope. No sandbars.
In the interest of full disclosure, I did pee in a big bucket.
Yep. It's too cold.
It's very cold. We're fighting the
It's probably 60
elements.
degrees.
We'll update when back at camp.
Colin and Molly finally made it back to the camp after 2 hours of navigating through the darkness. Now this is where the happy ending usually goes, but unfortunately for our campers, the trouble had just begun. As you probably saw in the drone videos, the boat had washed onto the beach during the storm in the night. They weren't as stuck as the night before, but they still had to spend the morning pushing it back into the water. They were finally able to push it back into the water, so the group packed up and got ready to head home. However, our story does not end here. Once again, these imbeciles made a fatal error and left the boat battery on overnight. The group was once again stranded and now drifting along with the current of the Gulf of Mexico. Our campers were doing their best to head in the right direction by using a trolling motor to guide them. However, the motor's battery also died after several hours. This left them completely powerless to the mighty current of the Gulf of Mexico and brought the group's morale to a new low. At this point, Molly was very fed up with the group. To be more specific, very fed up with Jackson, she made it her mission to get off the boat and ended up finding a pirate crew to take her home. Now Molly has her own crew and has been sailing the 7 seas and taking over fishing boats to protect the fish. The rest of the group was left struggling to find a way to finish their journey home. The group spent hours calling anyone who may have been able to help, including the local emergency number, but their bad luck continued to haunt them until they received a call from a friend who previously said no to them. They were able to bring the group jumper cables to recharge their battery and finally finish their journey home. They made it back after several hours, but the trauma from the trip will never leave them. Colin was never able to go fishing. Instead, he spent his time stuck on the boat listening to Jackson brag about the fish he caught and the sharks he saw. Colin is no longer the ship's captain. He now spends his time working up the courage to return to his captain's chair. Who knows if that will ever happen again?